I will not make the same mistakes that you did. I will not let myself cause my heart so much misery. I will not break the way you did. You feel so hard. I've learned the hard way to never let it get that far. Because of you, I never stray too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I never play on the safe side, so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I find it hard to trust not only me, but everyone around me. Because of you, I am afraid I lose my way. And it's not too long before you point it out. I cannot cry because I know that's weakness in your eyes. I'm forced to face a smile and laugh every day of my life. My heart can't possibly break. Or do I